Hey guys, and welcome to today's video, which I'm going to call Anatomy of my motorcycle kit following a crash. Bit of a mouthful, sorry. That's everything I could think of. So last Thursday, it's Tuesday today, I've forgotten, losing track of days. I was knocked off by a kind hit and run driver. Not going to go over the details here, but they pulled across me on the roundabout, and I couldn't avoid them. And I hit the deck on my right hand side pretty bad. I've got 6 fractured ribs, a break in my foot, but I'm in a lot of pain, but I'm home and just trying to heal now. But yeah, just want to go through all my kit and how it performed to help you when you decide what to wear when you're out on your bike. Dress for the slide, not the ride. So I'm going to start with my Altberg boots. So I hit the deck on the left hand side, so I'm only going to show you what's relevant to that. This is my boot. The bike actually landed on my foot, and I did get some crush injuries from this. Yeah, but you can probably see there's something there that looks like an impact. Right, but it's on the wrong side, so I don't know. But something definitely landed on my foot heavily to cause the injuries. So yeah, although thankfully protected my foot reasonably well. Yeah, I would have liked to have a little bit more protection. So yeah, I'm not 100% happy with how they performed in the crash. But then again, my foot's still there, and the injuries were minor, which, considering the fact that I had a bike land on it, when you think about it, it's not too bad. So yeah, meh. So jury's out on how the boots performed. Next, if we move upwards, I'm going to move on to my Road Skin jeans. These are the Road Skin Easy Rider, and considering the impact, did pretty well. There's some indentation marks here. I don't know if it'll be picked up on the GoPro, but yeah, you can feel it there where I hit the deck. But yeah, I had no knee injuries and no hip injuries, so there's a little bit there. You can see where it's hit the deck. Yeah, absolutely flawless. Yeah, I didn't have any problems with my hip and knee. So yeah, top marks to the Road Skin Easy Riders. They're brilliant bits of kit. Okay, so bear with me. Chuck that over there. Where are we now? So if we can move upwards, airbag jacket again, absolutely brilliant. It deployed, and to be honest, I'd forgotten about it. Yeah, I wondered why I felt like the Michelin Man after when I was on the floor and I got myself up, and yeah, I wondered why I felt like a Michelin Man. Then I undid my jacket and my bike jacket, and went, oh shit, yeah, I got the then I realised, oh yeah, I've got the airbag jacket on, and it had deployed. So as you can see now, it's red, even though it's charged. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to connect to it on the app and show you what the Tech Air app says. But yeah, it inflated all round, and yeah, it basically did its job. And there you go, it says on there, system deployed, so it's now unusable. You have to send that back to and send it to Infinity Motorcycles to have it serviced and regassed at a cost of £300. So yeah, it deployed all round. I can vouch for that. I didn't actually feel it go off, to be honest. everything happened so quickly. I never really, never really compute what was happening. So next, we're going to move on to the Andromeda Kuiper V2 jacket. And again, there we go. As you can see, I hit the deck heavily on my left shoulder, and all the protectors in here did their job. As you can see, I was doing probably about 10 miles an hour, I'd say, because I braked really hard, nearly avoided a collision, but it didn't happen. And yeah, the Kuiper jacket did its job, along with the airbag jacket, and I dread to think what would have happened if I hadn't had all this on, because yeah, I mean, my shoulder hurts now, it's not broken, so I can only imagine how bad it would have been. You can see some impact marks there as well, where I've rolled over, I don't know. The only visible damage on here is just here where where I have actually rolled a bit. But yeah, very, very happy with how that performed. No complaints whatsoever. And I know I keep banging on about Andromeda Moto, and now I can actually vouch I've actually crash tested the products as well, because now you're going to see the Meteor V2 gloves. So let me find the right one, and there you go, this is the one hit the deck as well. Scuffs on the scaphoid and wrist protectors, and no sign of any other damage. There's a few little marks, but yeah, they did their job well. I mean, you can see that. I mean, if I hadn't been wearing these, I suspect I'd have had some hand injuries as well. Yeah, but so I landed quite heavy on the left hand side. So yeah, again, top marks for the Meteors V2, and probably the most scariest of all, though, as we come to the head, is my Shui Neotech 2. So yeah, you can see I hit the left hand side good and proper there. Probably got some proper indentation marks on there, but thankfully, or unfortunately for you lot, my head is still intact. Yeah, did its job well. I mean, I didn't even realise I hit my head, to be honest. So obviously this is toast now, so it's time for a new helmet. This helmet is 4 years old, so it's served me well. I was planning on replacing it next year anyway. So obviously we'll see what we go for next. But yeah, very happy with how well that performed. So that's about it really. It was just a little video just to analyse all my kit and why I always wear as much protection as I possibly can. I mean, obviously when it gets too hot, too warm, then you do make compromises, you just have to, but you know, make the least compromises that you need to be comfortable. So yeah, thanks guys. Thankfully I lived to ride another day. Could have been much worse if I hadn't been wearing the right kit. And thanks for watching my ramblings. See you on the next one.